Hi folks, it's Elaine with WTI. It's never too late to improve your health and wellness. This supplement by Sandhu really has impressed me in 3 ways. 1, it has curcumin C3 complex and a natural extract obtained from the black pepper fruit, and this really boosts the absorption rates. The second is that it's third-party tested. The labs are not affiliated with the manufacturer, so it's not biased. And third, there are no additives and artificial fillers or binders. I was so pleasantly surprised to have the pain in my joints and my fingers go away after taking these supplements for just under a month. I find that it's easy to take, and I love that it fits in my smaller weekend vitamin case. So if improving your health and wellness is a high priority on your list, then you need to try Sandhu's high absorption curcumin from turmeric root. I highly recommend it. I've tried it. It has really gotten rid of all my joint pain in my fingers. I know you'll love it, and that's just my point of view.